Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. Oh, she's so nasty. Man, that's nasty. I was looking at that. Okay. Nothing but this oil. Right. Be straight. Just gotta wash her down. Wash her on down. Man, what's good, YouTube, man? I'm hoping that y'all tuned in. I'm hoping more than ever that y'all gonna subscribe. If you like Mustang content, hey, man, y'all in for a surprise, man. Y'all already know, got Mr. Tropicana. Y'all know my baby, man, the S550 2016 Mustang GT 5.0 with the Coyote engine. Nothing spectacular. This is my baby. I really love this car, really enjoy this car. It's one of the many ones in my fleet. I had a lot of cars, but this one right here is my first Mustang. So I'm learning about the Mustang. You know, I'm still a Chevy guy, diehard, as you can see. Still got my G-body over there. You know, it's always gonna be Team Yamaha and the Chevy squad. But in the meantime, we got a customer car that came in. And it is the same color as Mrs. Tropicana, but it's a long ways away from where it needs to be at. As you can see, we got peeling going on in the hood. You know, you got regular wear and tear, rock chips, but this paint is terrible. It's a catastrophe. I mean, I don't even know, like, as you can see right there, zoom in on that, baby girl, so you can see, you know, all the clear peeling on it. It's peeling on the roof. The mirrors are peeling. You know, as you can see, the mirrors is peeling. As you can see, there has been respray. You can tell by right here. It's paint on the lights. You can see the respray over here. See on mine, it has a turn signal integrated into it. As you can see, it doesn't have it on the base model. Mine is a premium package. This is a base model ecoboost. Check out that.
It's
you
cracking.
See the cracking?
Mm-hmm.
See all the overspray on the rubbers? And that's my signature too. I'm not even gonna lie. I get a lot of overspray on the rubbers, but that lets me know that somebody like me that probably has just about as much experience as me, maybe a little bit less. So I think I probably could have done better. Because like if you look at it, it's like all rough right here, the texture. As you can see, like you see, it's not smooth. And that's gonna be in factory paint jobs, but this one's a little bit worse. I mean, we could pick this car apart all day. You see his flaws right there. You know, we come around here, the rear bumper, and this where it get real nasty at.
Oh my gosh.
Even like the black, like it's been tampered with. For this car to only be a 2015, you know, it's kind of crazy.
Dang. Oh,
We believe that it probably was a rear end accident at some point in time, and they had to make do with stuff. I mean, I don't know what. Why is that there? This car just really done had a really rough life. You see, there's flaws all up in there. But he brought it Straight Line Customs. We're here to fix it. We're not here to tear nobody down, talk shit about nothing, but We just want to make sure that we give a thorough overlook, because the customer told them it's going to be one thing. They want to be in a lot more different things. So we just want to get a good understanding, because if he can't afford to fix and repair everything the correct way, hey, it's no hard feelings. I'll get on to the next job, somebody that's willing to spend the money. But this is more than we bargained for originally. He told me it was just one thing. And you know, customers are always trying to save money, and I'm always trying to work with them. But at the end of the day, I have to set a certain standard of quality. So man, y'all stay tuned. Y'all see baby right here, this baby. And this right here is my partner's car. We used to go to school together at TCC. It's do some work, man. Right there, the roof area. Probably gonna have to sand this down, probably like 320 or so. Let me see what Darius said when we get here. That's not good. That's not good at all. So, definitely could tell this whole car part been resprayed, because there's way too much texture in this paint. I don't know quite fully what's going on with it. But man, we're gonna get it together though, man. So, wow, that's crazy. That piece of, bro, you can tell it's been resprayed. You can see the overspray up in there. But man, y'all see baby right here, man. They were saying it's gonna hail really bad, so I brought her over here, put her up. But it's crazy seeing the twins. So man, y'all stay tuned. This video gonna be a lit vlog, man. I'm hoping that y'all gonna share it, man. And y'all just go ahead and get them likes up, get them shares up, man. I'm trying to interact more with y'all, man. What y'all want to see? Trying to deliver more Mustang content, more car content, more hot rod content, man. So more business content. So I'm trying to produce some quality content, man. Long story made short, but y'all gotta stay tuned. So being that it's kind of ashy, I mean, I'm gonna try to, cause I don't know what that is right there. I'm gonna pop the hood, and I'm gonna take a lot of it down with 420. That's definitely right there is gonna need to be lower. Just feeling it and looking at it. I'm just gonna lightly hit everything. I don't want to go too deep, because our goal was just to throw a little bit of color on it. But being that this is pretty bad right there, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna blow all that off with a blow gun. And then I'm gonna start trying to sand on it. So first order of business is I'm gonna pop the hood. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that hood real quick. And I'm gonna put a board in between there, so it'll stay up and I can apply a little bit of pressure. This hood is fiberglass on these cars, so we don't want to be doing too much. But yeah, man, I already got it popped. I'm finna put my board on there, and finna throw y'all on time lapse, man. Finna do some work on it. Finally, the weekend that passed, the car got here a little bit earlier than what I was expecting, but I'm not tripping. I'm finna get it done. At least do all my prep work, and we're gonna get back with y'all, man. Can't wait till my boy Darius pull up. It's been a few days since we sent the other car home, you know. So we're gonna see how everything goes, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right. So the first order of business first order of business on this one, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do a cold start. And we just gonna let you see what the ecoboost is. So I'm gonna let my lovely assistant, oh Trinity Boo.
Trinity Boo?
Little Trinity, little bugger. Let my little bugger go ahead and fire this one up. Oh my goodness, this car, man. Damn, this car right here is dirty as hell on the inside. This don't make no sense. Alright. This is a little cold start action. We're not here to get the performance right. We really just here just to get everything. Maybe some new clips that might be needed in there. I don't know, man. So I'm gonna have my paint body man, my business partner Darius. He's gonna come look over the car. All right, baby girl, let the window down and get on out. So we just let this one just warm up a little bit. Yeah, you can let both of them down. We're gonna let this warm up a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna move the truck out the way. We're gonna bag this car up, but we gotta do a cold start on this one too. So.
Oh, it doesn't make any loud sound like yours.
Yeah.